Tired of the Samsung keyboard and ready for a more intuitive typing experience? First, let's install GBoard, Google's free keyboard app. By heading over to the Google Play Store, simply search for GBoard. Once you find it, tap the install button and wait for the download to complete. Now, let's enable GBoard in your phone settings. Locate the Settings app, usually represented by a gear icon, and tap on it. Scroll down until you see General Management and tap on that. In the General Management menu, tap on Keyboard List and default on some Samsung devices. It might be labeled Language and Input. Here, you'll see a list of keyboards installed on your device. Make sure the toggle switch next to GBoard is turned on. Next, tap on Default Keyboard. A pop-up menu will appear showing you the available keyboards. Select GBoard as your default keyboard. That's it. GBoard is now your default keyboard. Open any app where you need to type, like a messaging app, and you should see GBoard ready to use. Enjoy the enhanced typing experience.